RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das had a meeting with the heads of 8 government banks. The CEOs of the banks have sought the extension of the loan moratorium by another 3 months. The banks have also requested a one-time reconstruction of loans. Market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, is expected to cap the pays of fund managers. It comes after several mutual fund investors were left in the lurch by a leading mutual fund. India's sugar output has reportedly fallen by over 60 lakh tons. Output was pegged at 258.1 lakh tons compared to about 321.71 lakh tons same time in 2019. The decline is being attributed to the nationwide lockdown, which forced shutdown of sugar mills also. India's edible oil demand is expected to slump by as much as 30% this year. India is heavily dependent on imports. While India's annual demand is pegged at about 15.5 million tons, the country imports nearly 9.5 million tons. While many sectors are demanding fiscal stimulus, it is being rumored that union government is unlikely to please everyone. It is being said that government may not be willing to pump in more stimulus as it wants to avoid a possible rating downgrade. The month of May usually is against the sentiments and equity markets tend to drift lower. With pessimism ruling high in the US, it is widely believed that Indian stock market would be headed lower this month too. The stage is set for the annual shareholder meeting of Berkshire Hathaway, a leading investment firm. The firm is run by Warren Buffett, who is known as Oracle or Sage of Omaha. Buffett is known as one of the foremost investment managers globally. The People's Bank of China, or PBOC, has reportedly begun testing its digital currency, DCEP. The testing is being done across 4 Chinese cities, it is learned. Apple Inc. has reportedly shipped 7.5 million face shields. It is shipping 1 million of these face masks every week. These face shields are meant for physicians, nurses, and health workers.